How to scan QR code on Samsung Galaxy smartphone. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the SkyTech Studio. And if you want to scan any QR code with any Samsung Galaxy smartphone, then here's how you can do this process. It's super easy, but before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to scan the QR code, all you have to do is just swipe down from the very top and do it again, and you'll get to see a few different options. So you just need to swipe to the right, and under this one you'll get to see the QR code option. So if you don't find this option, you can tap on this plus icon here and you'll get to see a few different options will pop up, so you can actually find out the QR code scanner and you can add to your control center. And once you have added this, you just need to go ahead and tap on the QR code scanner here, and this will open up your camera. Now you can easily scan any QR code from anywhere from your phone, and this is how you actually can scan any QR code with your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.